Yes, children, are you able to see screen, children, right now? Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Vedharth, are you there? Vedharth,
Yes, ma'am.
Gagan Karthik, Lohini, Sriharsha. Yes, I can see the other student who is other here. Sriharsha, Lohini, Ashwath. Ashwath, are you there?
Ma'am, he's there.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, children, I gave 2 bits. Did you complete the homework part? What I gave yesterday?
Ma'am, actually, I have 8 days going on, ma'am.
Ma'am, yesterday, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I told you right now I was traveling.
Okay. Now, can we go with the subtraction, children? Same way how we are adding, the same way we can go with the subtraction part today, children. Yes. Shall we go with the subtraction, or else shall we go little tough questions in addition, complex bits?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
first we'll
okay, children,
practice a little bit more of the addition than remote fraction.
addition. Okay, right, Nana, right. Okay, then we will go with the more bits on addition. We will practice different varieties of questions like simple to complex, each and everything we're supposed to practice right now. Just a minute, children. I'll take the questions. Okay. Yeah. Add 4x. Only the thing you need to check what are like terms. Like terms you can easily add up. 4x, comma 6y square, comma 5x and 9y square, children. You need
Ma'am,
to all these
Ma'am,
expressions.
4x,
Yes.
ma'am, 4x and 5x are like fractions. 6y.
Very good. 4x and 5x are like fraction, like terms, no,
Yes,
not
ma'am.
fraction. Terms. We anyway you are
Terms,
new
sorry,
for
ma'am.
this. Try to use the terminology. Try to use.
Okay.
Term. Yeah. Next, Nana. What are other like terms? Other
Ma'am,
pair of like
Ma'am,
terms.
6y square, ma'am, and 9y
Y
square.
square and 9y.
And 9y square. First, you just make as a groups, Nana. Like terms, you just make as a groups. Then we will go with the addition part.
Associative property.
Yes. So now what we supposed to do, you have to take the coefficients. What are coefficients, Lohini, for first x coefficients? What are x coefficients here? X coefficients. What is the numerical coefficient of x? In first 2 terms, what is numerical coefficient of x? Lohini, unmute and speak, Nana. You're muted. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. The numerical
What are,
of x.
Yes. Is it 4 and 5? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Numeric means number part, Nana, 4 and 5. If sign negative is there, negative sign also you can include, and variable is common variable x. Similarly, for these 2 terms, Sriharsha, can you please tell what are numerical coefficient of y square?
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. What are numerical coefficient of y square? Numerical coefficient.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Numerical
6 and
means
9.
number, Nana. Numeric means number.
Ma'am, 6 and 9.
6y and 9y squared. Ma'am, so it's 15y 3 cube. Cube.
Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes, Nana. What are numerical coefficients of y square here?
Ma'am, it's
Last
15
term.
6y. It's
Ma'am,
6
6
plus
and
9.
9.
Very good.
cube.
Very good, Nana. So 4 plus 5 is 9x. And the same way y square coefficient 6 plus 9 is 15 y
15,
square.
ma'am.
Very good. Right, children? Any doubt here? Only your target is
Ma'am, to
what
find
are
like terms.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one
What
more
are
question.
like terms?
Ma'am, like this. Can we have a quiz? Yes.
What, Nana?
Ma'am, he's asking about a quiz.
Ma'am, can you give a quiz, ma'am, at the end of the class?
Sure, Nana. We will go with quiz today because this is most of the things we need to practice. Practice only gives you perfectness in this concept. Especially this is very new algebra for you. Like only the thing you are perfect with your integers, you can use this part too. Next part, Nana. Next, shall I give one more question? I'm not
Yes,
going
ma'am.
to give
Yes, ma'am.
any clues here. I will just ask the students to answer. Now, Gagan Karthik, Reddy Gagan Karthik, please answer my question. Varnika is not there. Why Varnika is absent today? 5y square z, and other term is 14y square z, 14y square z, and the third term is given as minus 10y square z, Nana. What
Ma'am,
are
I got the
variables?
answer. Ma'am, I got the answer.
Wait, Ashwath, very good. Keep with you, Ashwath. Lohini, what are variables here, Lohini? Variables, save Nana. What are variables here?
Variables here.
Variables means alphabets, Nana.
Yes, Y, Z.
Y square and Z. Y square and Z, right? Very good. Both all the cases we have the common only like term. Ashwath Reddy, please, can you please?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Now, first I will add the negative parts, ma'am. So, minus 5
Okay.
and minus 10. If we add them, we'll get
Very
minus
good.
15. And if we
Okay.
subtract 14 from 15, we'll get 1. So, because 15 is
Okay.
bigger than 14, we need to put a negative symbol, ma'am, which is minus 1.
Very good, Nana. Negative y square z. Excellent, Nana. Excellent. You're excellent. Negative y
Ma'am,
square z.
negative 1 y square z.
One note
Yes,
cheyachu
ma'am.
or else no need of writing one, Nana. 1 into any number is same number. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
any number is same number, right? So that we are writing 1, no need of writing 1 y square z here. You just write
Ma'am,
only minus.
yes, ma'am.
Right, children? Any doubt here, queries? Daksh, any doubt,
No,
Nana?
No, ma'am, not allowed.
Okay. Sri Harsha,
Ma'am,
any doubt, Harsha, in the second bit, Nana?
ma'am, I didn't understand that, ma'am.
Nana, you see what are variable part. First of all, you have to check like terms or unlike terms. You check variables means alphabets. What alphabets you have? Please check it first.
Ma'am, Y
What?
and
Ma'am, Y square Z.
square and Z.
Y square and Z in first term. Second term?
Ma'am, second term is
Y square Z.
square and Z.
Y square and Z. And third term?
Y square Z.
Ma'am, third square also Y square and Z.
Square Z. So all are what? Like or unlike, Nana? Like.
Ma'am,
All are like terms. Yes or
ma'am,
no?
how to find them?
All are like terms.
I didn't understand yet. That 15, how
What
we
is the
got?
variables? What are the Nana, what are
Ma'am,
variables here? If
ma'am,
you see
not
variables.
here, ma'am. Ma'am, not here, ma'am. Up, ma'am, near 9x plus 15. How do you get the 9x and 15?
Wait. See, what is a variable in first term in my question? What is variable of x here? So a variable, which variable is in first term? X.
X.
And in the second term, y square. So that we can't take because these are not same. That's why unlike. What are like terms here? Like means the same variable. What are like terms? Third number. Yes or no?
Ma'am, first and third, second and fourth.
First and third are same. First and third are like. First
Ma'am,
and
second
third are
and fourth
like.
are also.
Second and four are like. That's why I'm taking first and third together. Second and fourth together, Nana. Understand, Nana? Harsha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Children, if you have any doubt, I will go little slow also. Please let me know, children. If you are, that's good. You gave answer to. Next, shall I go with few more examples so that you will be perfect with that concept? I'll make
Yes,
you perfect
ma'am.
in that. Okay, right.
Ma'am, but
Next
how
question
do you
is.
got the 9x and 15y, ma'am?
No, 4 plus 5 coefficients. Same. What are the coefficients of 4x here? X coefficient of X is coefficient means numerical part.
Ma'am,
What is
4.
coefficient of X?
Ma'am,
What is
4.
coefficient of in second next term X coefficient is
Ma'am, 5.
5. 4 plus 5 is
9.
9. So 9 is 9x is X coefficient, Nana. If you're adding like normal numbers only, Nana, instead of there we are not having variables. In here we have variables, but variables also like variables we can add. Unlike variables we can't add. You just is as it is you're supposed to write. Don't worry, Harsha, we will go with more examples. You can be perfect with that. Still you have any doubt, you just please ask me, I can help you.
Ma'am, I don't have any doubts.
Right, Nana, right. Yes, I can X
Ma'am,
square,
but,
Drona.
ma'am,
yeah.
but I didn't understand here why Z will come, ma'am.
Nana, question only given, Nana. In question only it is given. The variable in question only given. Don't worry about
Minus
why Z
5,
will
Ma'am,
come.
square
Ma'am,
Z.
and you didn't solve that that one, ma'am. Y square to that.
Y square Z is the variable part, Nana. You just don't worry about whatever the variables. So Y square Z, Y square Z, Y square Z. So it is like terms. If any other term is given, then it is unlike. All are same, only given variable part is same. Then
Ma'am, I'm
your task
asking
is
about up the 2 is then, ma'am, Y square to that one.
okay. Please, next bit we will do. Then you just maybe clarified your doubt. Please stay with me. And here first term is given. There are x square minus 4xy plus 3y square. This is one term. You need to add with another expression for y square minus x square. And third term is given as minus 3x square minus 3x square minus y square. Now you just see, Nana, I need to add all this. I need to add means which sign I should keep, Nana? I should keep plus sign. Yes or no? Now your target is started. What are like terms you need to identify? First step, Drona, are you there? Please respond. If you are there, please respond.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Drona, what are like terms, Drona, here? Like terms. Like means the same
Yes, ma'am, I
variables.
know, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, ma'am.
First, we will go with x square variable. Wherever
okay,
x
ma'am.
square variable is there, please
there is
catch.
this place and
X2.
another x square.
Very good, very good.
X square.
I will round up with another color so that you can see very clarity that variable part too. Hey, x, wherever x is there, you just catch all the x points, Nana. X square, wherever x squares are there, you just catch all together. Now I'm with including sign, x square minus x square minus 3x square. This is one.
Nothing, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. My doubt is clear. Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now another variable part.
Why, ma'am?
Who will give another variable? Lohini, can you give another variable like xy variable part? Yes, Lohini.
Another variable is y square.
Of course, very good. Y square is also there. You go with the second part, Nana, xy variable. Okay, xy only one is there. Very good, ma. You go with y square. Wherever y squares are there, please catch those all and put it in one home. Yes, put in one home, including with the signs also. Come on, Lohini, what are the y square terms? Please let me know. 3y square.
4y square and minus
plus 4y square.
And minus y square.
Minus y square. And what is left over, ma? In this, everything is over. What is left over?
4xy. So, ma'am, we can add that in the last.
Last, minus 4xy, you have to keep as it is in the last. Now, Daksh, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Coefficients of x square, Nana. Coefficients of x square means nothing is there means what is nothing is there means 1 is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Nothing is there means
1.
1. Yes. Come on, Nana. Y square, x square coefficients, please tell. Coefficient means numerical part. Number part.
3.
No number means? No number means?
1. And 3.
1. So, yes. Here first 1 you have, and here -1 you have, here -3 you have. Yes. All together you have x square coefficient. Next variable. Next y square coefficients. What are y square coefficient? 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Here
Y square 3,
4.
4 and 1.
4 -1. This you put in one home and put y square. Then what is last one is unique, no terms, only single term. So that you can write as it is -4xy. Now you have to know integers. What is the value of this part, Gagan Karthik, Reddy Gagan Karthik, please? What is the value of 1 - 1 - 3 value? You know integers very well. We discussed it previous also.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Harsha.
Yeah, ma'am, the answer is 3 minus 3.
Very good. 1 - 1 will be cancelled. 0 - 3x square. Next, Gagan, please respond. Gagan, are you there? Gagan? Gagan, are you there, ma? Drona, what is the value of 3 plus 4 minus 1? Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
3 plus 4 minus.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, please, when I'm calling, respond,
Ma'am.
children.
Ma'am, the
can I-
answer would be 8, ma'am.
Ray, 3 plus 4, how much, Ra?
Ma'am, 7, ma'am.
7 minus 1?
Ma'am,
6.
6.
Ma'am, 6y square.
Don't make mistakes, children. 6y square. This is as it is. You have to put as it is. Minus 4xy. Hope you understand, children. Any doubt, Lohini? Any doubt, Lohini? Lohini.
No, ma'am.
Right, Nana. I will give next bit for you. I'm not going to do. Please put in your chart box.
Yes, ma'am, direct chat.
Your
Ma'am,
direct chart. Yes.
ma'am, but we
Harsha.
should solve that. Ma'am, means we should solve only what are in brackets only. Means the answer in brackets we shall not solve with all.
No need of solving. Unlike you can't add, Nana. Unlike you have to leave like that only. This is x square coefficient. You just see final. This is x
Ma'am?
square. This is y square. This is xy. We can't add unlike terms. Yadharth, is it possible to add unlike terms?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is, please
May I have
catch
a
the
doubt?
question. Yeah, please raise your doubt.
Ma'am, but
Nana.
can we multiply unlike terms?
Yes, 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 Ashwath. Very good question. Very matured question. Very good question. Good. Yes, you can. You can. Very good. Next, come on. Here 2a square. 2a square b. This is 2a square b plus
Ma'am, matured
3a.
means?
Advanced question he's asking.
Okay,
Beyond
ma'am.
from level. Very good.
Ma'am, will it
3ab
be
square.
ma'am, like a 4y plus into 4x, will it be 16y?
Ashwath, I'll really appreciate you. Very good. Let me complete addition, Nana, or else students may get confused. Step by step, we will inculcate because this is a new chapter. Even you are doing very fast. Very good. I'll appreciate
Ma'am,
you.
in
Just a
higher
minute,
classes,
or
we
else-
learn about division also, ma'am.
The multiplication and Ashwath, whatever Ashwath is asking right now, that part we will go with your class 7 and class 8 too, children.
Okay, ma'am.
In sixth class, we have no multiplication. Only in sixth class, addition is also not there, children. In NCERT book, we didn't have anything in addition part also. But when you're grown up to seventh class, you may face difficulties. That's why I'm teaching, because all students are very bright students in the classroom here. You can, at least some part you can carry to the next classroom. 2a square b plus 3ab square. 3ab square, and you're supposed to add this with you have to add with minus ab square and plus 5.
Ma'am, we just have to say
Yes.
the answer in chat, right, ma'am?
Yes, you just put in chat box, Nana. First
Ma'am, do we
answer
have to
should
put
be
the method also in chat?
you know, yes, you can, Nana. I'm continuously watching you. You can
Okay, ma'am.
even type. Or else direct final answer you put, because it's squares something you may face difficulties while typing too.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just put final answer. I want answer from Gagan. Should be speak in the classroom. Gagan, I am unable to hear you, Gagan, whether you are understanding or not. I can, everyone are responding. Gagan, are you there? Gagan is there in the class?
No, ma'am. I don't think so, ma'am. No, he's not there, ma'am.
Not there? Okay.
Gagan disappeared. Ma'am, can you call my name, ma'am? I didn't get a chance till now.
Sure, Ashwath, I will give multiplication to you, Ashwath. Shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Big one.
Oh, multiplication, shall I?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Be ready. I think no need for you right now. I'm writing for you
Ma'am,
the other
what,
question.
ma'am? You gave one question again. How?
No, I'm giving right now for you, Ashwath. You
Okay, ma'am.
just
Yes, ma'am.
solve it. Minus
Yes, ma'am.
9xy. You should multiply with. 3x y square. Can you please multiply and give the
Done,
answer,
ma'am.
Ashwath?
Minus x.
Yes.
See, ma'am, now minus 9 multiplied by 3 will be 27, I think, ma'am.
Which
And then-
27?
Negative.
Is it negative?
Negative
Very good,
27.
negative.
Ma'am,
X,
negative
right, Nana.
27 xy square.
Wrong, Nana. X, y
X-
square.
X-
No.
No, xy.
You
Sorry, x square, y square.
X square, correct. Then y
Y-
square, wrong.
No, y to the
Cube,
power 4.
Nana.
Y to
Cube.
the power 4.
4 ఎట్లా నాన్న ఏం లేకపోతే 1 ఉన్నట్టు 1 and 3
Oh, yes, ma'am.
1
Y
and
to
2
the power 3. Y to the power 3.
y
Ma'am, I
cube,
send
right,
the
Nana.
answer in direct chat, ma'am. Is it correct?
Very good, Ashwath. Very good. Good job,
Ma'am, I
Nana.
was stuck
Ashwath, you are
solving multiplication.
Daksh is also solving multiplication. Okay, right. Even Daksh is giving trying.
Ma'am, I
to
gave
give
the
answer.
addition part, ma'am. Is it correct in direct chat?
Ma'am, but that was a
Yeah.
small
1 minute,
question.
Nana. I'm seeing Edad. I got from answer from Edad. Okay. 1 minute, Nana. I'm seeing.
That was a
Yes.
small question, ma'am. Give me another one. ma'am.
Very good. 7a square b. Right, Nana. Plus 7a square b.
No, ma'am, it is 5a square b. First
Well,
one.
1 minute. 7a square b.
Ma'am, first I
Then
took
3
2a
minus
square b
1
and 5a square b as like fraction.
Ma'am, 1 minute. 4, 5.
Nana,
Yes, ma'am, it's 9a
Yadath
square b.
Ratnam. Yadath.
Yes, ma'am.
First step is correct, Nana. First part you gave correct. Second part only 3a square ab square minus ab square. 3 lo nunchi okati remove. You are removing 1 from 3. That means what? How many you are getting?
Ma'am, 2.
2. Yes, I think Lohini, you are
Ma'am,
correct.
2ab
Absolutely
square,
correct,
ma'am.
Lohini. Very good, Lohini. Yes, 2ab square. Correct, Nana. Yadath, please do correction.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Lohini gave correct answer. Very good. Even
Ma'am,
Yadath
I'm
gave
having a
correct part.
doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, in this,
Hmm.
ma'am, first one, it is AB, 5AB,
A
no, ma'am.
square B, Nana. Here A square B.
Ma'am,
Where is here A square B? A square B is here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Ma'am,
is
but
the number there? The
5.
coefficient is 5. Here coefficient is 2. 5 plus 2 ఎంత Nana?
Ma'am, 7.
7 A square B. Next term kara Nana. AB square. Here 3 is there. No number means here what number should be there, Nana? 1.
Ma'am, minus 1. Ma'am, but
No,
we can take 2AB square and plus 3AB
Ma'am,
square
9AB
and
square.
5AB
2AB
square
square.
and 1AB minus 1AB square. Like that we can take, no, ma'am. Why?
Nana, like terms matrame you need to combine, Nana. Unlike terms we should
Ma'am?
not touch. We should
Ma'am,
touch only like terms.
Ma'am, all are
Ma'am?
AB square only, no, ma'am.
No. One is A square B. That is difference you need to observe. Is both are same, children? Is this both are same? Please let me know first of all. No. Why?
No, ma'am.
Because
Ma'am?
here it is.
Ma'am, means in
power
that square, the number is for different letter also, it will become unlike.
Yes, Nana. Yes, power also should be same. Very good question. Now you got my point. Power
Ma'am, can
also
you
should
see
be
my
same. Oh, yes, wait.
Ma'am, I'm getting stuck in the multiplication part, ma'am.
Simple.
Multiplication. Daksh, can you please help Vedant? Please
Ma'am,
try.
I get the first
Try
step, ma'am. 9 3s are 27, ma'am. But how this?
Okay.
Minus, yes, then it will
That
become
also you
minus.
know. Yeah, Daksh, that also you know.
See,
That also you know.
multiplication is repeated addition. So if addition of minus 9 and minus 9 gives you minus 18, then multiplication will also give you minus 18 or minus 27.
Yadad, please see here. Here, what is the variable x?
Ma'am, X.
Here, what is the variable x?
Ma'am, X.
X into x already I said, Nana. X multiplied with x is
Ma'am, X square.
x square. X square. Here only one time y is there. Here y can be repeated 2 times. That means y square.
Y
So
square.
how many times y is
Ma'am,
repeated?
so y will become 1, so ma'am it will become
Y square 3.
y cube.
Y cube.
cube,
Y cube, Nana. 3 means we should not take y cube. Square means y square, y cube. Then we can call it as y power 4, y power 5 like that. Don't worry, children. Shall I?
Ma'am, I
give
thought
homework
instead
for-
of y power 5, we'll say like y quadrilateral or something.
Okay. No. Y square,
Ma'am,
y cube, and
Ma'am,
y
ma'am,
quad.
here in the addition we are adding, no, ma'am, in the multiplication we should multiply the numbers.
Numbers only. Numeric. Here we are adding. Instead of adding, here we are multiplying. Very good, Harsha.
Ma'am,
Good
can you give
catching.
quiz?
What, Ashwath?
Quiz, ma'am.
Shall I give quiz for you, children? Because
Okay, ma'am.
today I have
Yes, ma'am.
children. Our school have Monday onwards CBSE board examination center. We have duties. Even
Yes, ma'am.
your schools also, I think so, having exams, children.
Yes, ma'am.
From
From December,
Ma'am, for our
December.
school-
Ma'am, from
Ma'am,
December
for-
6th, my school is opening, ma'am.
yeah,
Ma'am,
because
December-
our
Ma'am,
school is
from our
also we are
school-
closing, children.
Ma'am, for my school, the exam is from today only it started, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, for me also started 84, ma'am.
10th class exam, board exam.
Not 10th class, ma'am.
Ma'am, 12th class, ma'am.
Okay, 12th class started today, Harsha. 10th class board will be started from Monday because our school is everything is sanitized from tomorrow onwards. We didn't have any classes, only we have we need to attend for classes through online only.
Ma'am, and for me, from next Monday, I'm having exam, ma'am.
No, I will show. Okay, next Monday, math exam. What are the chapters, Sri Harsha? What are the chapters, Sri Harsha?
Ma'am, chapters are chapter 11 mensuration and chapter 10 integers. So chapter 10,
Okay.
ma'am, it is chapter
11.
6.
Ma'am, I just have
Six.
fractions and decimals. That's all.
Then Daksh will be enjoyed the test, and I think Sriharsha mensuration part we have to.
Ma'am, my match is over already, ma'am.
How many marks you didn't share your result only, children?
Ma'am,
I
because
feel
it
more
didn't come yet, ma'am. It didn't come yet.
Nice answer.
Ma'am, because still social science French exam is still left.
Ah, okay, Ashwath raised a hand. I will give Ashwath. Don't worry. I will share quiz link with you.
Ma'am, he's so
Just a
excited
minute.
for just quizzes, ma'am.
Because the concept is makes more interest, I think so. For the okay, I'll give operations on algebraic expressions. So let me take one 8th class quiz. I will share with you today.
Wait, ma'am. Yes,
Shall I?
ma'am. Very good.
Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I,
Yes,
children?
yes, ma'am.
Shall I?
Yes, ma'am.
You are ready. My people, my children, small kids. They
Ma'am,
supposed
we'll
to.
try,
They are
ma'am. Our
learners.
best we'll try.
Yeah.
Okay,
Whatever
Nana,
we know, we'll do.
I'll appreciate for your confidence. Good job. Let me share my screen. 1 minute, children. I'll share the part.
Ma'am, link or screen?
Link part I will share.
Okay.
Nana. Link part I will share. Where is the quizzes?
Ma'am, give one quiz on ratio and proportion also, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, in your library there are 99 quizzes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll remove the long back a few more because many are there, children. Many are there. There are many accounts I have. Not only this account, I can use many accounts. There are different
Ma'am, 8th grade
accounts are shared.
operations on algebraic expressions.
Yeah, 30 questions, 8th grade. I will share because we didn't play it.
Ma'am, just you can send
But
the
I have
code, ma'am.
code, Nana. 1 minute, Nana. I will share because I have class 7-2 children today. I forget about the class because the students are not keeping any message right now. I don't know.
Okay.
I will share link, children. You try it. I will meet you later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I can teach the other class. You just please try it. The next class we will discuss the things and the results will be posted in your next class. I will help. Where is it? Link what I shared with you, children? Not it, right?
Ma'am,
I
did you
share
send
your
in chat,
link?
ma'am?
Where is your chat box, Nana? I didn't get the chat part. 1 minute, children. Where is the chart?
Ma'am, what was the code?
1 minute, Nana. Please click on the link, children, to join the quiz. Please, 206387, Nana. Shall I start? 387.
Wait a second, ma'am. Wait a second, ma'am.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. All my students. Lohni joined. I didn't see that Lohni already is there. Yeah. Hello, Hacker Pro.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, you can play. Children, other students are waiting. I can next class. I will take more extra time with you. I'll
Ma'am,
start.
can you start the quiz?
Yeah. Shall I?
Ma'am,
Where
1
are
second,
other
ma'am.
students are not joined? Please join, children.
Ma'am, just 1 second, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined, ma'am.
Join.
What is your this thing? Hacker Pro 666, huh?
That's my account. That's my account.
How many are there children in meet? Shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Start.
only
How
5
many are-
people joined.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is other not joined? Please say.
Ma'am, Drona.
Yadar.
Ma'am,
Okay.
more one person didn't join.
Ma'am, Drona, ma'am.
Drona, are you there? Drona, please, are you there or not?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Join, please.
Join for quiz. You're
Ma'am, the
Please,
link is not coming for me, ma'am.
Drona, please help.
It's in the chat.
Drona.
It's in the chat. Chat.
Ma'am, we don't have the option to send in public chat, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I'm not getting it, ma'am.
Where I should
Ma'am, you
share,
can send
children? Shall I?
Ma'am,
I
can
can
you send it
send
in the
post-
Ma'am, can you enable public chat mode?
Ma'am, but I got it. Ma'am is
No,
sending
what I
direct
should do-
messages to everybody.
Ma'am, you can start the quiz, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you send it to me,
Oh,
ma'am?
wait, Drona also join. Let them join, Nana.
Drona, you can
Drona,
search on
please join.
Google quizzes.com, then you can put a code and join.
206387. Please put that code, ma. Children, please be hurry. Children, the other students are giving continuous messages.
Ma'am, can you remove this Hacker Pro 666? I'll join with my real name. You
You
remove it.
joined already with.
I'll join with my real name.
Right click. Ma'am, right click.
1 minute, ma'am. I'm seeing the
Got
code.
right. Nice.
206387, ma'am.
Yeah, 206387, Nana. Yes.
Ma'am, you wanted to
Ashwath,
copy
IQ.
Yadhar's name. IQ.
Ashwath IQ Infinite. Wow, it's nice code. Ashwath, be like that.
Ma'am, he stole that name, ma'am, from me, ma'am.
Well, you put crowded.
Ashwath IQ.
But I am still a
Okay,
mathematician.
yeah, Yadav is also written as yes, Yadav, right?
Ma'am,
right.
I did
You
it first,
prove
you
your-
stole
But
it
I'm
from me.
ma'am, I'm a mathematician.
Ma'am, you can start the quiz.
Okay, I think all.
Ma'am, but
joined,
Drona
but,
still-
Ma'am,
No.
Rona is still yet to
Ma'am,
join.
Drona still.
Okay, I will start. Let him please guide him for Drona to children. Once I will start it, I'll end my meeting, children, so that I can
Okay,
start
madam.
other class.
1
Okay?
minute, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. Have a nice day, children.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead.
And
Bye,
all the
ma'am.
best for your class
Bye,
8
Yadav. Bye, Daksh.
quiz too.
Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a
Bye,
nice day.
Drona. Bye, Sri Harsha. Bye, Yadav.
Yes.
Bye, Ashwath.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Daksh. Bye, Shasha. Bye, Drona.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
Yatharth.
Bye,
ma'am.
everyone. Bye,
Bye,
Drona.
Ashwath. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.